Now let's take a look at the intelligent alert. So I know we talked a lot about alerts being not reports and all that stuff. So what does it mean? So it says right here in the setup, designate the email address to send alerts such as customer churn and all that stuff, right? So again, there are few alerts already live. We are already sending them out as we speak. Some of them are monthly, some of them are daily, some of them are daily. Now, daily does not mean you will receive an email. All daily means is this: we monitor things daily, and if we need it, or the when I say we, I meant Sahai. If Sahai needs to send you an email or alert, it will send you an alert, right? It does not mean that you will get it every day. If there is nothing to be alerted about, it won't alert you. If it says monthly, it means it is only evaluating on a monthly basis. So, for example, customer churn, the customers who used to come to your store very often and somehow disappeared recently, right? A lot of people have asked me for lots of different weird reports, all customer across all the months and weeks, and they want to try to figure out themselves and all that stuff. And from that, we learned that they are worried about the churning customers. And we understand. We do our own internal analysis for the pharmacies. What kind of churn we have. So we decided that we'll make an alert based on it. So every first of the month, I think, right, Pujan? First of the month? Yeah, every first of the month, we will analyze the last month's data and it will send you out the churn alert, right?
Yes.
For all the customers who used to come very often to your store and somehow it's not, they haven't showed up. One thing I would like to point out is the customer has only came once to you. It's not really a churn. It was just a floating counter or something. So that's why. The second is margin change. All of you guys are very well aware of the margin purchase analysis that we show at the bottom of the sheet after the purchase. We decided to change that into alert because a lot of large stores are purchasing quite a bit and they don't even have time to look at the report. Here's the cool thing about this: depending upon the size of the operations, it actually scales up or down alerts. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a pharmacy that is doing decent business of 1 lakh rupees a day. And if there's a margin change because of some rounding error or something of say 5 rupees, it's probably not going to alert you. If it's 50 rupees, maybe 500 rupees, yes, it will alert you. Not only that, it's pretty smart actually. It's not really looking at only items. It's also looking at the distributor aggregated level and also across daily, like throughout the day, right? So it uses all kinds of different thresholds and stuff, and kind of try to alert you every time you need to be alerted with an email with few examples in it, and there's an attached sheet with it, and then you can see it the whole email. Similarly, unusual sales return, right? So if you make, mm, I want to say about 2% sales are being returned on an average. And if yours pharmacy has suddenly returned 4%, so let's say you make 200 invoices a day and usual returns are like 4 to 5 returns a day. But today, for whatever reason, it was like 10 sales returns. It will alert you. And similar to very similar to that is also editing. A lot of time, lots of bills get edited. And of course, nobody likes that. Why it's being edited? In that case, it will also send you an alert. Um, if you guys have any ideas about adding more alerts, let us know. We would love to add more alerts. And one last thing I want to say is that you know, for the chain pharmacy, we also send the similar reports to aggregated across the stores to the main head office staff members. By the way, one thing I have not talked about: you can type anybody's email address from your staff here, right? And you can add them onto the email list. So that's like all the alert stuff. Again, like I said, we want to add more stuff here. So if you have any ideas, just share with us.